Welcome to the future of wellness. Learn about the Recovery Primed wellness difference. In this video, we focus on the distinct advantages of RP-PEMF wellness. See what exactly RP wellness can do for you. Applied rule: true wellness dosing. We strictly avoid direct and indirect physiologic stimulation. This is recovery, not stress. To avoid direct stimulation, we use precision low drive. Every single pulse is kept below the physiologic threshold. To avoid indirect stimulation, we use long rest intervals between pulses. Using these long rests avoids summation and prevents not wanted messy build-up. This is essential for a real wellness method and is missing in normal pulsed electromagnetic field. RP Wellness is also designed for comfort. We don't use constant hammering. You will not feel being driven. Sessions are quiet and calm. Most of the time, you are simply lying in a relaxed position, not noticing the RP pulses. There are no jolts through the body. No rapid pulse trains chasing a sensation. Our goal is not making you feel like something intense is happening every second. Our goal is creating a deep relaxation. For RP Wellness, we use precise timing for control. Defined RP pulses and rests results in predictable and repeatable sessions. Because we avoid messy build-up, we create consistency. RP Wellness is designed to fit into a repeated schedule without feeling overwhelming, even for people who consider themselves more sensitive to stimulation, including older adults and users with a longevity focus. We designed RP Wellness to support long-term proactive care with a calm, controlled exposure. So, you are able to build stable habits around defined, controlled sessions, instead of wondering whether another dense, high-intensity treatment is too much. In summary, the advantages of RP-PEMF wellness come directly from its dosing logic. Recovery-centered pulses, low pulse density, and long interpulse rest times. These choices are essential for real wellness and give a calmer session, more control over what you receive, avoid a messy, unwanted load, and the structure that fits long-term wellness use. Don't settle for less. Choose for RP Wellness.